Welcome back to my mess. If you're watching this, we're already in Hawaii. So today you're gonna see the chaos. Actually, the chaos has passed. The chaos has absolutely passed. And when I say chaos, I mean the packing. We meant to finish packing like 2 days ago, and we never did. So here we are. Welcome to the mess. This is what it looks like. The kids' luggages, a whole empty luggage. And then look at Jonathan. I don't think he's supposed to hang our laundry on the, is this wood?
On the banister?
This banister, what is it made of?
It is, yeah, wood. What do you think it is?
This is wet. And
He
he hangs our clothes on the banister, guys.
It's fine.
But welcome to our mess. Welcome to our chaos. We have a lot to do today, so we'll take you along. We didn't even work out, and we're not happy about that. But
I'm already tired.
Yeah, we're already tired, but we gotta go to the chiropractor. So come along. What came home with us from the listing. Normally, we keep our staging stuff in the garage, but this was one of the items that we specifically bought for that listing. So now it lives in our house. And you can see our old mirror right behind it. And you can see more of Jonathan's wonderful drying methods.
Shut up.
We gotta go.
For the record, I hang it, I line dry because I'm not trying to shrink my clothes because,
I like your sweater.
I probably got bigger, but I'm now large and I don't want the large clothes to shrink. Yeah, I'm just trying to not buy more clothes.
Okay, fine. I guess that makes sense. My bad, I forgot to vlog at the chiropractor. Not that anything exactly is happening there.
I mean, at the same time, she's chatting it up.
I know, I was gonna say, I don't know how.
She's the mayor.
I'm not the mayor, first of all. Second of all, we see them like twice, 2 times a week at least. I don't want to just like go in. I feel so weird just like going in, being quiet, and then just like leaving. I mean, I know that's what he would do. So this vlog is probably going to be super short because the rest of our day is just like back to back to back to back things. We need to go home, clean the fridge. What else do we got to do? Finish packing. But you said you're almost done. You're basically
Almost done.
Can you be done like you're leaving?
I could, but then I still use some things.
Like
my
what?
toiletry stuff after my shower at night.
You don't have like a multiple toiletry situation? Like what is it
Why
that you
would I
couldn't?
need multiple toiletries?
So one that's always in your travel bag and then one that's just for the house.
Then I need to buy more things.
Yeah, that's what I do. I have multiple.
See,
What is it? What is it?
Different.
What is
That's how
it?
we're different.
What is it? What is
I
it?
am more
What? No. What is the item that you need to use?
like the comb and
A comb. He can have more than one comb. Continue. What else? What is it?
that's pretty much it.
Wow. So
I'll have my shaver. Like if I want to like touch up things later, I'm gonna get a haircut today. Maybe I can give you like a before and after because I am pretty scruffy.
No, but that's it.
Yeah.
Gotta clean up, but I like to clean up the house. I just want to show you guys, we already prepped the mini goodie bags for each of their classes for when we get back. So when we get back, it'll be Halloween. So we just gotta grab these and go.
Alright guys, busy day, so we're trying to fit in vlogging and about my haircut. totally different person after, just like Wally. After a haircut, it looked like a whole
Just
different
like
person.
Wally.
But this is what it looks like. I'm about to ruin my hair because we're dressing up again as Lilo and Stitch, and I am David, Nani's somewhat friend, not boyfriend.
The kids are like, that's not your boyfriend. I'm like, oh.
Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and cut the vlog here. If you guys are new, feel free to subscribe, like the video if you guys enjoyed it, and we'll see you guys soon. Bye.